What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1969 Nova. Does have a 400 in it. Should be a good little test drive. We do these test drives, point out any kind of flaws so you know what you're getting when you get here. Nice quiet motor under the hood. This is a non-power steering car. All drum brake around. It's that time. Let's shut this hood down. We're about to go for a ride, guys. Definitely hit that subscribe button. We post videos like this every single day. And check out maplemotors.com for 100 detailed photos and financing information. All right, let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior here, check everything out. Go ahead, take the horn poll. Do you think it works? A little game we play on this channel. Dash pad's looking like it's in good shape here. We'll go ahead and start it up. This thing starts up awesome. The cold start was great. I wish I would have got it on video. I need to bring that back. It just got my cleanup guy cleaning them while I'm gone, so I can get them all out to you. We're missing our dome light here. Try our windshield wipers. Blades are in good shape. The switch is messed up for the blower motor, so that's not going to work. It is showing 70,000 miles on the dash. You can see that in my detailed photos at maplemotors.com as well. The gas gauge is pegged all the way out to F, so I don't think that's working. You ready for the horn? I'm pushing everywhere. I'm trying. No horn on this one. All right, guys. Let's go for it. All right, get my seatbelt on here. Not that one. There we go. Go ahead and set y'all up. Sorry about that little dot on the screen. I think it's like right there. I was videotaping and the GoPro fell over, which this is my Max. And yeah, it left a little speck in the screen, so it won't be there the whole video though. I'll flip the camera around. All right, here we go. Speedometer's coming up. Definitely some slack in the steering on this one. Look how much slack there is. Just give me an example. It turns there, it turns there. Brake wise, brakes kind of pull to the right a little bit. They're stopping good though. I don't think my kick down's hooked up on this car. Still pulling nice and strong. It's going straight down the road, nice and smooth. We're gonna pull off at the gas station because I don't know how much gas I have, and I'm not gonna try to run out today. It is actually about 5 o'clock when I'm supposed to be getting off. I wanted this video done. I had some people calling too. They wanted to see about it. Rolling up in the gas station here. I'm gonna throw about $20 worth of fuel in the tank, and we'll keep this thing rolling. All right, we're gonna take off from here. Unfortunately, I'm using a GoPro Max right now. which is a great camera, but I can't use my virtual cam, put it on my head. And it's so tall, I can't really drive over it without actually probably hurting the camera. So you'll have to look at my walk around video where I do the undercarriage shots and my detailed pictures at my website, which is maplemotors.com. I want you to look at those anyways if you're interested in purchasing this vehicle. I know that camera turns a little bit different. This car sounds like a monster. Brakes do pull a little bit at first, but then they stop. So it's not doing it right now, but the next time I hit the brakes, it'll pull for a second and then it straightens out. But that is drum brakes for you. The more you drive it, it should correct itself. If not, I need some pads. Coming up on that street with a big speed bump in it. The suspension on this car feels great. I'm not worried about the speed bump at all. So. But I will be hitting the brakes, and I'll kind of like let go of the wheel as long as there's not no traffic and putting anybody in danger here. All right. See it instantly pull to the left there. We'll try it again at the end of the street. Go speed bump right coming up past this orange truck right here, nice and smooth. All right, brakes, see how it pulls to the left, pulling me over into the parking lot there. But the harder you push them, it actually stops pulling and just goes straight. Let's go. Getting ready to pull next door to the lot and do a walk around on this car. I haven't actually done my walk around on it. It goes around the outside of the car, pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find. So I'll pull in here and get that done. Guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, check out maplemotors.com. We got financing options available on all of our cars. You can see all of our inventory, and we also have shipping options, so we can ship all over the US. Detailed photos of this car are also available at my website, so be sure to check that out. I appreciate you watching. Go ahead and watch the walk around. It's going to be at the last 30 seconds of this video down in the bottom right hand corner. Or you can just look up any of our vehicles on the lot. For example, this is a 1969 Nova. Type in 1969 Nova Maple Motors on the YouTube search bar and you'll get 2 videos. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.